I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop apps from tracking your activity on other apps or websites on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Your first step is going to be to open your Settings app. Then scroll down to select Privacy and Security. Right in the middle there, select Tracking, and this is going to be a list of apps that have requested to track your data across your phone. If you'd like to enable an app to track your data across your phone, you can select the slider to be on, which would be green, or deselect it to be gray, and most of the time we're going to want it to be off. When these are selected off, if you have a new app that you haven't even opened the app yet, then it won't even ask to track you. Most often we'll have opened apps before we get to this screen, so we'll get that question straight away. But if you want to go to this first before opening a new app, then it won't even ask you to let it track you. Now you're all set and safe from any unwanted tracking from these apps on your phone.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.